How to fix MB102 power supply producing 12 volts at the 5-volt lines. Schematic diagram with wiring configuration. Parts you need. 1. L7805 CV voltage regulator. 2. Proto board PCB DIY kit for Arduino. 3. MB102 power supply. Set 5-volt jumper to off on both sides. Connect female jumper wire to the 5-volt line that is producing 12 volts. To pin 1 of 7805 voltage regulator. Using a male to female jumper wire. Connect red male to male jumper wire. To pin 3 of 7805 voltage regulator. To plus output on proto board on both sides. Start soldering jumper wires. Install jumper wire from 5 volts. To pin 1 on 7805 regulator. Start soldering 7805 regulator. Solder power supply. Solder jumper wire. To pin 1 on 7805 regulator. Wire pin 3 output of 7805 regulator. To both sides of plus sign of board. Trim wires. Back side of board. Install black jumper wires to ground. Pin 2 of 7805 regulator. Install to minus pins on proto board. Time to test proto board. For 5-volt output. Your proto board should now be reading 5 volts output. Please give a like if you enjoyed this video. The end.